Whether you're purchasing a new home or refinancing your current home, there are some highly important do's and don'ts to follow. Following these will help the process go as smooth as possible. Let's start with the do's. Do provide all requested information as soon as possible. Don't be afraid to disclose all information, even if you think it might be negative. Please be very transparent with us. We're on your side and we want your loan to be approved. The sooner we know about an issue, the sooner we can resolve it. Do keep open lines of communication with us. You can expect to hear from my team quite frequently. Your quick responses will produce a faster approval. Do ask questions. We want to make sure you're educated, updated, and confident. Now for the don'ts. Don't open any new lines of credit or allow anyone to pull your credit. This could hurt your credit score and your ability to be approved. Don't quit or change your job during the loan process. If it's absolutely necessary, please let my team know about it immediately. Don't make any large purchases. No cars, appliances, furniture, or jewelry. This may affect your debt-to-income ratio. Don't move money from account to account. If you do, you'll have to provide more documentation, which could be a hassle for you. Following these do's and don'ts will make your life a lot easier. Trust me, if you have any questions or concerns about any of this, please reach out. Thank you and have a great day.